morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, so I'm gonna try to take things a little slow today. Kind of chillax. Wait the first hour or so till market opens, so we can kind of see how the day plays out. It looks like we're buying up a little bit to start the day off. Good morning, Skittles. Hope you had a great weekend, man. All right. Yeah, so this week should be a pretty interesting week. We got a earnings season kind of like really starting this week. Vibe with chill. Bless up, brother. Let's get the bag. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Hakeem, good morning. Rick, good morning. Girish, hello. The Princess and the Pea, good morning. Yeah, so today I'm gonna play patience, so I'm gonna give the market like an hour today. See what kind of footprint it sets. So not necessarily rushing into anything today. Lucky J, what's up? What's up? I feel like emojis just have so much more energy. They're just all big and stuff. Azure, good morning. Actually, I'm gonna go to like a 30-minute. Chill things out even more. All right, so let's see. Today, how are we opening up on the day? Oh, wait. Hold up. All right, so we're down a little bit in the red on the day on the SPY. In the red on Meta. I feel like today might be a red day. We'll see. Things have been kind of good, but Sergeant Boss Hog, let's go. Good morning. Good morning, Mass 3D RC. Tough W, sup people. Eyes on IBM, that 4-hour chart. Hey, let's check it out. I didn't even know what to put on the chart aside from Meta. Let's see. Let's check out IBM. Let's check out the 4-hour. Let's get rid of this volume because I don't like looking at it right now. Let's clear that out. So there's a lot of support to be found at this kind of 230, 231 area. So if I were to do anything, I'd probably take that and move that like that. Or I guess call it more about 230.50. Yeah, I'll really just be, first I'll just be looking for a break kind of beyond that, I guess 234 level before doing anything. Right now it seems a little range bound. People's eyes on IBM, that 4-hour chart looks. Okay, when is their earnings? So their earnings, oh, okay, IBM, they have earnings on Wednesday too. Okay, right there with Tesla. Okay, so next major level. Oh, let me check Tesla real quick. Okay, so Tesla is coming to kind of test the trend line. It's kind of selling off this morning a little bit. But let's see. NNE, OKLO, and SMR have been flying this past week or so. Yeah, that is good movement from about 15 to 18. What else we got? OKLO. I see something about Wall Street bets over here. Of course, it's flying. But let's see if there's actual validity to this, because I don't even know what this is. Not loving their income statement. Technical say it's a buy. Analyst rating says buy. 1 year price target 1083. Oh, you said it's all nuclear energy. Okay. Okay, yeah, I don't trade it just because I don't understand fully. If y'all want to educate me on that, hey, go ahead and educate me. I need to, for moves like that, I need to be a little bit more informed. These are basically the new companies. Okay. And then let's just check out the chart on SMR, because I'm trying to let the market set its footprint for small modular reactors. Okay. Yeah, Wednesday was a good day for that. All right, so my eyes are coming to NVIDIA again because it is once again up here at all-time highs. I think this is like its third time knocking on the door. So, yeah, they could possibly have a little breakout. I'm going to go back to a 30-minute. Might like NVIDIA. Just kind of see how they do. I'm going to do some analysis on NVIDIA for this morning, see how things are looking. Oh yeah, happy Monday, everyone. Not like really anything that I'm like really looking forward to occur today. There was like nothing, no real economic data. Today was mostly like Fed speakers. So usually Mondays are kind of days to stay away anyway. So want to give the market time to do its thing. Analysis. Oh wait, hold up. We'll come back to NVIDIA. I want to check the PCE, see how things are looking today. PCE, nothing too crazy. Wait, this isn't even for today. So I guess we still have to give that time to. Oh no, it's trading right here. Never mind. Okay, so there's the PCE. Okay, NVIDIA's currently rejecting a little bit. Jorman, good morning. Yeah, you too. Have an awesome week, man. All right, another one I want to look at is SoFi and Bitcoin. So SoFi, to me, one thing, this might be a potentially not bad short. So one thing I was looking at on SoFi is I was like, this morning when I was making the watch list, I was thinking, oh, they could be making a double top. So actually, I might go small on something on SoFi, but I would still look to play something today. So this is kind of like a little ahead of the curve here. I'm not sure if this is going to be anything. But I want to go light on like a $10 put on SoFi to see if this actually is. So yeah, I grabbed a $10 put for $14 on SoFi. And I like that it's Monday. One thing I was targeting, they broke below this trend line, which I guess wasn't as strong as I thought, but I was kind of targeting this 901 level. It didn't happen, and then they came and pushed back up. And then when I came and I looked at it, I was like, oh, it looks like they could be forming a double top. And like it opened, they ran up here. So yeah, we'll kind of see how that goes. I'm not going to really be watching that too closely today, but I did grab that. Next thing I wanted to look at was Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, we did what we needed to do on the weekly chart. Alexander Stokes said, had the $10 put on SoFi up, then heard you talking about it in the background, grabbed it at same. All right, so we got it. Hey, great minds kind of think alike. But Bitcoin, here is what I am thinking. I kind of drew this morning. This line looks like it may be a little off. Let's see. But this is Bitcoin on the weekly chart. We have been kind of trading in this range, and we've had like some, little fake outs. We got our first candle close on the weekend, or the weekly outside of this. So this could be our first breakout. But one thing I would potentially expect is maybe a retest of this. So in my eyes, around this kind of 65K area, 64K area on Bitcoin, that might be a good level to kind of load up on your crypto plays potentially. And it should the move happen, you shouldn't need to go crazy heavy on these crypto plays. You shouldn't need to, oh dang, hold up, looking at SoFi, it looks like it's, go back up. Let me go back down to the 4 hour real quick. SoFi trying to push back up. I'm going to set an alert. I'll set an alert at like 1060, but other than that, I'm not really going to watch SoFi like that. All right, and then the SPY right now is looking like not really getting too much happening. See if there's any trends that I can identify yet. That might be something right there. It's kind of support at this 582. And it looks like on the day might have something like this. We'll see how that rides out. All right, NVIDIA. Here, let's go back to a 30-minute. Okay, so NVIDIA looks like could be breaking out. So NVIDIA is pretty much at all-time highs. Let's look at the RSI, see how things are looking. Okay, so yeah, it's crossing into overbought territory, but that's on the 30-minute. See how it's looking on the 4 hour. It's close, but yeah, NVIDIA's, it's about to be at an all-time high. Let's see how the Qs are doing. Honestly, I'm surprised the Qs aren't up higher with NVIDIA up as much as it is. It's got to be something holding it down. All right, so I'm saying that 72% of y'all think we're closing green today. Okay, you said grabbed a call on Oxy 52 for $25. Is there like a news catalyst that led you to do that? Is there something going on right now? Here, let's take a look at Oxy. I did like go over their chart this morning, but it was like very, very briefly. Okay, so they got a lowered price target. Let's see what else. You said energy is okay, so I would say that that is a catalyst. There is probably an overall catalyst reason for the reason energy is moving. I'm not like once again, I'm not like fully involved enough to be fully aware of why that's going on, which is kind of why I stray away from those. Okay, so Apple, I will say, if you got the watch list, I called resistance being 235. So here I want to kind of watch Apple on the 5 minute, and I want to see how it kind of hangs out over here, and I might turn the volume back on. So the volume is decreasing on Apple. Here, I'm going to turn the volume on the SPY as well. Yeah, the volume this morning is... Oh, we've only been open 13, or yeah, like 17 minutes, so... Yeah, the volume on Apple's low, so nothing crucial there. Looks like resistance on the day right now is around this 235.50 area. Nuclear energy has been going up because of demand of AI. Is that because AI, like it takes so much energy to really power the infrastructure for AI, I'm assuming? Okay. Yeah, I like to sound like I know it all, but I definitely don't know it all. Just a heads up. Phil Nye. Bitcoin mining centers as well. Makes sense, makes sense. Yeah, I used to mine Ethereum back in the day. That mess was like I had a bunch of GPUs and yeah, I had like I didn't even have to pay for heat in the winter, man. When I was living in Colorado, that mess was crazy. I think that it took my electricity bill from about I think I was getting away with like $37 to $50 a month, all the way up from all the way up to like 200 something. Yeah, no more GPU mining. Yeah, that's why I'm not doing any of that anymore. SMR is something I've had my own for months. Okay, so that's like two of y'all talking about SMR. Okay, so I missed buying SMR below 18 just now. Now it's above 19. Oh yeah, that was kind of a quick movement. Here, let me. Yeah, it is getting a good amount of volume compared to what it normally trades. That's good. I noticed Netflix selling off a little bit. That's also something I wanna. Here, let me clear these levels out. If I can like time something right with Netflix, if I can catch Netflix on a Friday after it's kind of like chilled out, Netflix continuation or pullback, zero DTEs go crazy. So that's something I kind of just like to chart during the week just to see. Yeah, there's a huge gap right there. 704. Kind of just want to set an alert right there just to be aware of it. All right, so let's see. I could have bought it below 10 a share, but hesitated. Yeah, that's why that could be like the beauty of like actually writing down your trading plans and writing down your rationale for doing things, because it's like there are a lot of times you get to the moment where you say you would do things. It's like, all right, if it breaks this trend line, all right, if it comes to this zone, all right, if this happens. But then when it actually gets there, it's like you don't pull the trigger, and then it's like it makes the move that you had anticipated in making, but you didn't trust yourself or whatever. Said they could have been flying faster. They usually ride in sync, so basically I'm timing them. Your travesty. My problem is I'm poor. My mindset isn't right. I don't like to take risks like I should. I mean, I don't. So there is an element of, you know, you do have to take more risk the more money you have. But I'm not sure, like, when it comes to options, trading options risk, I wouldn't necessarily say those are the risks you want to be trading or taking as much, because I would say like options risk is more casino like, but it's like I don't know, taking risk on like, oh, it's like maybe you have to like work harder, or maybe you get like a sales job or something where your income is uncapped, but you don't know what you're going to be doing. Those are the kind of risk I would say that I would go for, if I'm poor. But one thing I've noticed about my trading is whenever I have more money or more income just coming in consistently, I'm a lot more relaxed with my trades, and I'll see a lot more of them through, and I'll usually make a lot more money. So usually, in my opinion, trading is a lot easier when you have a lot more money, like just, or a lot of money just when you don't need to make money, usually you make a lot more. They say when it rains, it pours. So usually, hold on, I got an alert on the Qs. Hold up. All right, so the Qs is coming to test this trend line. Okay, so I see a correlation. So we just broke out on NVIDIA. The Qs is going up. Let's see. It's not quite an hour, but let's check the volume on the 5 minute. Maybe we'll come above a little bit and we'll get like some sort of retest. Like it'd be nice to get a retest, but yeah, it looks NVIDIA is at all-time highs now. And so watching for a retest of this, and maybe a retest on NVIDIA's trend line. That might kind of be the play. So I'm not going to like jump in right away. I do see an increase in volume, but I would personally like a pullback. I'm going to switch the SPY over here to the Qs, because that's a little bit more interesting to me. All right. Just came across Discord, moving up. What does that mean? Hold up. I'm gonna check that one on my phone real quick. When you say came across Discord, are you talking about like is the chart in my Discord or something, or are you saying here? I'm gonna go to the Discord, see if I see anything there. Let's see. I'm gonna also say good morning. Say what's up to everybody there. Say good morning, family. Oh, Alpha Trader. All right, let's see what he. Already 5x. It's okay. Okay, so it's getting the volume. Yeah, I have to turn a lot of my alerts off just because I'm doing things and like my phone goes off like crazy. So a lot of times I'll get stuff and I'll forget to respond to it. Okay, let's see. I want to check the option. Matthew, do you have any videos or info on how to sell calls and puts? So not specifically on how to sell calls. I want to work up to that like as kind of a family this upcoming year as a challenge. I think I'm eyeing SoFi for that. But I do have an older video. It's probably from like 4 years ago, but I would say it's a decent video. It's just for me, it's a little cringy to watch. But I think if you look up how to sell puts on Robinhood, here I might be able to like drop the link right here. Let me see. Let me try to look up the video real quick. Yeah, next year I'll have to get. Oh, I think it's called selling put options on Robinhood. Oh yeah, let me drop the link real quick. Oh, hold up! I straight up skipped over Tatiana's comment. Good morning, Tatiana. My gut tells me AMZ will finally break out this week. Here, let's check it out real quick. Wait, are you talking about the full on Amazon like AMZN? Let's see. I mean, it's the same chart. Okay, so I mean they got a crazy amount of volume this morning compared to like most other day. Well, compared to last week. I mean, it could because we got some earnings. We got some earnings. So yeah, I'll take that back to the Qs. And I'm gonna bring that down to a 5-minute as well. Oh, and yeah, I posted that link, Tough W, down in the in the chat. So if you want to watch that later, there it is. That video is hard for me to watch. But low-key, I need to start doing videos like that again. Just make them a little bit easier for me to watch. Yeah, Amazon. All right, so I'm liking what I'm seeing. I feel like we'll be able to kind of get in at a good time. I think we're gonna. It looks like we might trend up today. Let's see, Nvidia. Hoping for Amazon and Google to go up soon. Honestly, hey, that might be a good something to watch for the upside. Yeah, I feel like I want to see a retest on either Nvidia or the Qs. Amazon and Google has been stuck lately. I bought a call spread on Amazon. Rick, I only mentioned it because I came across Discord. So ETI, ES are ahead of trends in trades. All right, let's look at what was I? See, I'm watching Nvidia and I'm watching in the queues today, but I feel a little bit safer playing Nvidia just because you get more time. Tesla, Texas has installed a fork in the road statue in Giga Texas. Interesting. Okay. I regret not selling Google at 193. Skittles, I mean, I don't know how long term your outlook is, but I think Google is about to have some massive growth ahead of it the next couple years or so. Just kind of with AI and everything. Alpha Trader makes some. I mean, yeah, he does. Yeah, definitely make sure y'all are taking advantage of it. It's like, okay, we're doing a little break or a little retest of this trend line up here. Volume's a little low for me, but hey, oh no, it's trying to jump up a little bit. We're up here making moves. Okay, so yeah, trying to look like it's trying to break. Yeah, I want to see Nvidia on the 15. I'm gonna move to a 15. Oh yeah, that just looks like straight bullishness on the 15. We're on a. Yeah, I really would like to see a retest back here. But yeah, we got our complete candles above the trend. Yeah, I'm gonna slow it down to a 15. I'm not in a rush today. So Monday, we got the whole week. We got earnings to come into. The market's taking things as bullish. Tesla's kind of recovered from its little move down. Biggest movers today, we got, I see the VIX is kind of going up a little bit on the day. Yeah, pull on back, NVIDIA. Let's see what. I think right now I'm eyeing like a 146 call on NVIDIA. That's what I'm eyeing. I would like to see where we can pull back to. If I could grab a 145, that would be nice, but I'm eyeing the 146 to see if we get a like large enough pullback for me. And go back to a 10. Oh, wrong side. Said NVIDIA to 160 by election. I could very much see that happening, honestly. I could definitely see that happening. I don't think that's outrageous at all. Oh, that 146 already kind of jumped up a little bit. Oh, looks like it's trying to catch some volume. I'm gonna need it to chill out. All right, so it looks like 140.82 has kind of become support. Let me go back to a 30-minute. Yeah, so we kind of broke this high over here. Oh yeah, that call. Dang. Yeah, it would have been good to get in whenever I was talking about it. Got the volume increasing a little bit. The volume is jumping up. But I feel like we will come back and retest this EMA. So I'm going to still wait. Like, I'm going to sit here. I'm going to be patient. I know I said I would wait at least an hour today. It's only been about 37 minutes, so. I don't usually like stare at the charts like this. So I'm trying to like get used to it in the mornings. So it's just like I normally just have alerts set, and I don't usually trade like right away at open anyway. So I'm trying to bring more of the way I would actually like enter into the way I'm trading on the stream. So think it'll lead to some improvements. Because a lot of times it's like I'll take a trade and I'm like, oh yeah, the real trade would have been to get in here. It's like I still made money, but I would have made the real profits if I didn't get in on that first move. Because the first move was kind of like a lead in to the fake out before they really caught you and really moved it. So that's what I'm trying to get. All right, so getting a little bit of a pullback. Let's see how those contracts are doing. So how tight are you setting stop losses, fam? Had an Nvidia call and just got kicked on that slight pullback. Then it just ran more. I'm not setting an options stop loss. It's like I would set like a price stop loss. So depending on, like right here, I'm just gonna watch it. But like if I were to set a stop loss here, honestly, it probably would be best for me to like actually wait till we pull back to this, either this trend line right here or this 5-minute EMA first. Like I think I was talking about getting in, but that was too early. And then I saw that volume and it's kind of like made me feel the FOMO, but ideally I would get in on some sort of pullback like I know is going to happen at some point. And then like from there I would kind of look at the next key level. So if I just this isn't me making a trade right now, but if it pulls back here and this is at the EMA, looking at the next key level, it might be right here for this 39.56, but I would probably put a little past that. And just looking at where we are and how much time we have on the week, I'd probably actually look at this, where this next EMA is at this 38.80. Or I would come and try to do something like this. So it might actually fall a little bit more, like right in here. I think the tough thing about being up here at this level is that it's a new all-time high. So really all you can do at these new all-time highs is just kind of ride the trend. So the trend essentially needs to be your stop loss in situations like this. And it's like once you see, oh, that trend has broken, that's when you kind of cut it and take profits. Or you cut out for losses. Hakeem, hey, hit the like button. Y'all heard Hakeem. Thank you, Hakeem. Nunet, good morning. Market looks really bullish today. Yes, yeah, it's looking bullish. I think everybody's excited about earnings. It's like a lot of people, and kind of including myself, have been like bearish on the market, but it's like we haven't really received any like real reason. Well, I would say there are several reasons we should be bearish, but it's like there's like just the way things are going. It's like we've also received a lot of reasons to be bullish. And it's like I feel like there is a rug pull coming. And trying to anticipate the rug pull never really helps out. So it's like until we really start breaking stuff and really start seeing things going wrong, you kind of just need to go with it. All right. Right on, Philip. I bought a small amount too. And man, Philip, are you out of here, Tatiana? Hey, you have a good day if you're out. Bless you. All right. Outdoor people, when CVS turns, it's going to be a big maker. Let's take a, yeah, I like this wick on, let me check out CVS real quick. Oh man, that might be happening right now. What chart am I on? I'm on 5. Oh, no, I don't think it's fully done yet. But yeah, go back a little bit. Okay. All right. Morning fam, what's up with SPY? I'm just watching. No trades for me today. SPY is kind of chilling. That's why I'm looking at the Qs today. It's like I can see what's moving the Q, but the SPY, it's a larger index, so it's a little bit more confusing to me. Rick Paris, it feels like the rug pull will be the election. Honestly, yeah, usually, you sell off into the election, but we haven't done that yet. Historically, it would be like September or October, but we're pretty deep into October, so. Tough W as support. It also has earnings, I believe, Wednesday. Are you talking about Coke? Yeah, Coke has earnings on Wednesday. Tesla, Coke. It looked like. I know you called out IWM or IBM. It looked like they had said they had earnings on Wednesday as well. So, or maybe it was Tuesday. I don't know. Dang. So, yeah, I'm just sitting here. Got to display patience. All right, Hakeem says we got 50 people in here. Hit the like button. Yo, hit it, smash it, tap it, change it, whatever you want. Bop it, I don't know how many of y'all are old enough to know what a bop it is, but do that to the like button. Whatever you got to do to it. Make sure the color changes. All right, so yeah, it's a little tough watching this NVIDIA keep trying to push. But this is the trade I want today. But the RSI is kind of cooking. It's cooking on a 10, cooking on a 5. Yeah, it's gonna have to come back down. Like it's gonna have to kind of come back down like what's I gonna say? Hold up, somebody's at my front door. Better be Amazon. Oh no, that's my wife. Okay. All right, so all right. Call that. Oh yeah, I saw that comment that you called the 583.20 call. I know Robinhood closed those out, but yeah, I saw where it closed. That Phillips said 90s kids. Hey, I made it into the cut by like 3 years. 3 years. And then Hakeem helped Matthew out by hitting the like button. Appreciate all who hit the like button. Hey, for real. And I appreciate you, Hakeem. Yeah, because definitely more than like double the likes since you've been talking about it. All right. What was I? So gonna. Yeah, so we're catching this volume up here. And we're just watching the video go. You mess with Meta, not like I had it on a watch list today. It's like definitely like kind of watching. I'm waiting for like certain levels for a pullback. It hasn't like pulled back there. I would like to see them pull back to certain levels. Like it, for instance, if I know it seems wild from here, but if I catch them around 540, I'm grabbing calls for earnings. And then Philip said early or late 90s. I'm late 90s. All right. Realistic. TPA. Yeah. And then you said less than all 10. All 10, you know I know what a bop it is. Realistic. Mahishu, good morning. Can you chart AAL? I grabbed a $13 call for it. Yeah, we can take a look at American Airlines. We'll look at it over on this side. All right, so you roll options for a month or no? I mean, I don't roll options. Right now, I'm not rolling options too crazy. It's like if I see a move, the only time I roll options is whenever I'm like swing trading, and I'm like, yo, this move, there is a nice setup, and it still hasn't happened. I think the last stock I like rolled was a trade on Tesla. Tesla does that sometimes. All right, so let's look at AAL. All right, so looks like it's currently riding the 13 EMA on the 4 hour. Think I might see like let's see if we can draw a little. Yeah, I would say it's kind of respecting this trend line. You said grab the $13 call for October 25th. I mean, it's in the money. But yeah, there's support at this kind of 1280 level. Looks like the next level down would be either 1250 or 1220 to the upside. Looks like next level would be about 1343. I'm going to say about 1380. Then above that looks like maybe like 1420. So those are kind of like your next levels. But the volume, I mean, it's a new candle. Honestly, it could go either way. I don't see any gaps either way. But you're kind of in the middle. You are in an uptrend, so you do have that going for you. As long as they don't mess anything up, hey, should play out well. All right, this? Where are the cues? All right, so ever since we got that breakout, we kind of just been up and moving. So yeah, we broke the trend line at, yeah, we'll call it 495. That was the area, I think I put that on my watch list. And we're up about we topped out at 496.22. I'm still just waiting on our pullback. Let me see how these calls on NVIDIA are doing. So yeah, I was watching that 146. It's coming down in price. It's coming down in price. Oh, you said 80s baby need help from the 90s babies. We were never taught this stuff. Hey, I definitely was not taught this stuff too. It was like I dropped out of nursing school, and yeah, I don't know. It's like, honestly, you just need to go out and get it. Hey, yes. Supporting BOBS, hey, you are in the right place. You using Robinhood for options placement? When you say for options placement, what do you? Oh, today so far, yeah, I've just used a Robinhood so far today. I haven't taken any other trades yet. I'm like, if you hear it and it's under $100, it's probably Robinhood. Okay, so NVIDIA is trying to pull back. That 146 call is now within, like, it's now purchasable by me, but I'm still want to see where this goes. Maybe we form some kind of downtrend. Oh wait, hold up, that's on cues. First level of support is going to be about this, I guess, like right where my cursor is. Kind of watch that, see if we get a pullback. Once again, when it comes to fair value gaps, it's just going to be where the two candles don't touch. Oh no, I'm not in any. Well, I did grab like a put on SoFi earlier, but that's we'll see about that. But talking about fair value gaps, that's just going to be where the two candles that have one candle in between it don't meet. So like right here, there's this tiny one. So right here, the edge of this candle does not connect with the candle that is on the opposite side of the one in between it at all. So there is a small fair value gap right here, but this is on the 2 minutes. So if that means anything, then we could come back here, or potentially, there's another one right here where this candle right here doesn't connect with this one at all either. So there would be another one right here. But once again, I'm on a 2 minute chart. So let's see if there are any on the 5. I mean, yeah, we got one from here to here. So that's the larger one. But I don't really put like too much validity on fair value gaps. But it's like we can definitely, like, if it wants to come in and fill that, hey, I will not be mad. All right. Because, yeah, if we want to come down and, like, test this 200, that'll be, like, a great place to grab a call, actually. And I could probably get an even better one. All right, so... Oh, yeah, y'all make sure to tap into the Discord. It's free. All right, so here. Yeah, I'm not in anything. America's Last Patriots. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, see, you're coming in around the right time. This is honestly around the time I need to starting the streams. But Rich, learn something. I'm on the hunt for a call option for 30 days. So yeah, no candle can. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But it's for the two with the one in between. Yeah, it's going to be the two around. There's going to be the ones with one in between it. I don't know how to say that and not without sounding weird about it. I don't know. APVO if you're a scalper. Hey, shout out to all the scalpers. Hey, y'all check out Tough W's comment down there. Okay, let's. Okay, so on the Qs, we're coming back to retest this the 13 EMA on the 5. So that's cool with me. I'm gonna need Tesla to do it too. Or not Tesla. I'm gonna need NVIDIA to do it. BIVO was going crazy at first for scalping type traders. Hey, make sure y'all are reading the chat, cause especially if you like to scalp. The family is trying to put y'all on. I've never heard of it. I mean, I personally have not either, but it's crazy the amount of stocks and companies I've never heard of. But as long as I've been around the market. Do you know why the price action on SPY is inconsistent? No, but that's exactly why I'm not looking at the SPY. Just take a quick look at the SPY. I mean, it's following its trend. Like I kind of drew this trend line on maybe the 30-minute. Oh. So it looks like it, well, I'm not sure that was a gap, but yeah, that's it's still respecting its trend, so that's fine. But yeah, that's why I'm not like, if I don't like the way something looks on the day, then I'm not gonna trade it. Lex said I got a $10 call on Serve for November the 15th. Y'all been talking about Serve for some time. At least y'all are focused on it. GLD. Let's see. Maybe for starters, it's in an uptrend. Or I might start it right there. Yeah, I might try to draw a trend like that. Go down to a 1 hour. I do see a gap down to about 2158, but then there's another one down to 251.40. have much to say about it. Kind of depends on like what time frame you're trading on, but yeah, I don't have too much to say about it. Like on the 5, I would probably just watch the 200 EMA on the 5. That looks like it lines up about with that gap. And it's like if we find support around this area, I would continue to watch. I mean, I would say this one looks kind of similar, just not moving as much. Actually, I can't really, I'm not really sure about that. This is something I would just watch the EMAs for. There's a gap to about this 30.75 area. See what it looks like on the 5. Yeah, I would see how it holds up at this 30.75 area. Then below that, I would watch for 30.60. And ultimately, I would say if it holds this 200, it might be good to look for a reversal to the upside, but I don't love it or anything. All right, so let's see how long this lasts, because here, let's go to a 5. Okay, looks like we could potentially be finding support right here. Let me check NVIDIA on the 15 real quick. Got a little consolidation. So we might get our little pullback to the downside. Maybe we do come back and close this gap. And maybe we get a good trade to swing into tomorrow. So this would be more of my kind of trade anyway. So maybe we find more of an entry, like what I would actually like. So here, let's look at it on 1 hour. So yeah, maybe at like the 139 level, they got like calls. It's in an uptrend. We'll see what the market wants to give us. All right, so we're kind of pulling back on the Qs. I think the Qs is going to end up... oh, this could just be a retest. We'll see. Yeah, maybe we'll slow down to the 15-minute. See how things look. And no problem, Rick. All right, one of the greatest skills is reading the charts. And right behind reading the charts is displaying the patience to execute. Because it's like, yo, I see a lot in the charts, but I need to be reminded to be patient, because a lot of times it's like, yo, that would have been so nice if I just waited a little bit longer. Yeah, so the Qs looks like it wants to find support right there at 495, and that's kind of what you would expect, since that was resistance, for it to find support there. But let's see. See if these EMAs have any validity today. I got this little light on by my computer. I'm gonna have to turn it off. Kind of blinding, killing my vibe. All right, getting a little pullback on NVIDIA. I'll take it. I'll take it. Give it to me. All right, so that call I was looking for is now sitting at 92. I think we saw it go as high as like 120. And the good thing is, honestly, I know if I like that first move, I would not have taken profits at 120. So this is why you let the market set the footprint for you first. All right, I was thinking about a 30-day call on NVIDIA. If it can get cheaper, it seems to do well day after day. Honestly, I mean, it could. I honestly, with stuff like that, it's really just like get a good entry and then try not to watch it too much. Like the more you watch it, you'll just be like, you'll just want your money, or you just want to take profits, or because it's going to go up and it's going to go down. But yeah, make sure you have like some sort of target or some sort of trend that you're watching. But yeah, don't just sit there and watch it intraday like this, because that's going to be tough. Okay, yeah, we're getting a good little pullback on the video. I'm liking it. Yeah, that same call is 84 now. This is what we're looking for. It's probably testing the 5 EMA about right now. Let's see. Okay, so it's testing the 5. It wouldn't surprise me if it bought up a little bit, but then came down some more. We'll see. We'll see how long this move lasts. I would not be mad if we caught it down here at the 200. Notice how the volume has just been tapering off. So I think this might be a good trade for the week for upside. But, if it wants to die for the day, I'm not mad at it. But yeah, if it decides it wants to like hold up at this trend line, I'm just going to get in right there. Because the break of this trend line was ultimately what we were looking for anyway. And then the retest would be kind of like a confirmation anyway. You said 583.35 come up. Yeah, we can check real quick. I mean, this is a clear trend line break on the day. I mean, it could. Ideally, it would come back down to about this 25.62, because that's the last point I saw it touch this trend line. Or it would go to where it completely started at like 582.35. But yeah, it could. All right, so we're breaking a little bit on the. Oh wait, I wasn't trying to go to the keys. Okay, yeah. I'm liking this. All right, so this is looking like. Okay, so we're at 140. Shoot, I might. Yeah, I think I'll go in on a one. I'll grab the 146. Maybe not. It may not have gotten filled. It's trying to go up in price. Appreciate you, Hakeem. Appreciate it. So I grabbed a one. What is it? 146 call. Yo, let me heart that. Appreciate it. And it's like the first time I got some money on stream. Hey, I feel like I'm big time now. Appreciate you, family. Yeah, so it very well could end up coming down more, but if I'm going to set a stop, it'll probably be here. just because, or here, maybe I'll make it at the bottom of this gap that we had targeted. So here I'll draw it about right there. And yeah, I can see us chugging on. We'll kind of have to watch the volume and see what goes on here though. Here, let's see. All right, let's see how the contract's doing. Oh, I can like it too. Let's see. All right, so that contract's up like 12% since buying in. Drop to a 15. It's still in a downtrend. Yeah, it's like we could see some more downside. Let's go Ravens. Let's see. They play the Bucks. I think I like the Ravens more. I mean, I don't really like watch as much as I used to growing up. I was watching with my dad yesterday, but it's like I think I like the Ravens more. You play fantasy or anything like that? Got anybody you're watching? All right, so we're still selling off. Let's go back up to a 15. Just come over here and display the patience. All right, looking. Still see. Oh, Rick. Oh, dang. Dang. Oh, appreciate it, Rick. Wow. I'm getting money on this stream. All right, it says, let's celebrate their first super on a live stream. Hey, appreciate y'all, family. Wow. Wow. All right, it says, reply to Rick. Let's see what emoji we can find. Let's see. Yeah, we're going to send a bag. That's what we're trying to get out here. Oh, yeah, it's trying to sell off some more. Let me go up to an even higher time frame. So we got 1, we got 2, we got 3. Okay, so SPY falling kind of hard. SPY is at support, but I was also saying it needed to. There's still this gap down to this Dang, y'all sending the money today. Oh my goodness. What is this? What is this? I gotta go in and find an emoji for Skittles. What is this? Here, let's see. Dang, I'm over here getting money while I'm getting money. I don't even know how to feel about this. But yeah, appreciate y'all. Very, very grateful. So looks like we're trying to hold up at this 140 level. Here, let's see. Let's see what we want to find. Okay, so the SPY looks like it found some liquidity right there. Like there's a lot of buying pressure coming in. You know what? We're gonna go with the bull. I'm trying to find like stock market kind of keep it stock related. I sent a little bull emoji. Skills, you get a bull. All right, so that's the 4 hour. I'm gonna come back down to 15. Yeah, liking the love I see. I see everybody sharing the little hearts. That's what's up. I feel like it's Christmas. My wife says I don't get excited enough when I receive gifts though. Low key, I'm gonna say like 95% of the time I'm very, very monotonous. Hakeem, you said I had to set it off. Didn't you send the first one? Dang, Hakeem. Appreciate it. Oh yeah, Hakeem said go hit that like button. Yes, go hit that like button. Oh my goodness. Wow. Making that YouTube money. Wow. Sheesh. Dang. Yeah, once again, don't even know how to feel. I will never forget this day. What's it, October 21st? Like 4 days before my brother's birthday. Locked in the brain. October 21st, 2024. First time we made some money on stream. All right, Outdoor People, $66 call on CVS for November 1st. Take a look. Oh no, hold up. Take a look at it over here. See how he says 66. What are we looking at? Okay, there. Oh no, we filled that in. So that is a level. You got some levels to kind of break it. Appreciate you, Rick. Oh wait, hold up. One more thing, I forgot. We gotta find a little find something for Hakeem. I'm gonna try to do two. This one's gonna represent the market. Where's it at? We're gonna throw that in. We're gonna have the chart going up, but we're gonna have the bear right there. That's how I feel like the market is right now. The chart's going up, but everything's bearish. Had to set it off. Where the likes at? Okay, we have 46. All right, so right now looking at CVS, if I were to chart this, everything's trending down. See where the support is. I like buys at this kind of like $55 level on CVS. But if you can catch a break above that, this trend line over here, like right now it looks like above like 61.20, then that's kind of the move right there. And what was I about to say? Yeah, kind of breaking and running above that. That would be a move. But like right now on a lower time frame, I think it depends on how low. Because if you look on a 1 hour, you're still in a downtrend. 30-minute, you're still in a downtrend. Just because this is the range on the 30. 15-minute. This is when it's like, all right, you kind of in an. Actually, are you in an uptrend? No, you kind of cross back into a downtrend on the 15. But there's hope. There's hope. All right. But if it's an earnings play. Wait, is it an earnings play? Facts, bro. You deserve it, bro. Appreciate you. And then what was it? Shoot, I think I'm gonna go to Jim Cramer or honestly, hey, that's where the money was at. Y'all know there was a point in time I used to sit and I used to like watch Jim Cramer and I used to think, oh, I'm about to make so much money. I was like, oh, he said this, but I felt like this about the stock. And then, I always do the opposite of what he was saying. And I was just like, dang. Then, some time goes by and I'm like, oh, inverse Kramer. I was like, that makes a lot of sense because it never really worked out. So, let's see. All right, that call we bought up like 10. Let's see. All right, Hakeem, I need a mentor. Matthew, I'm from Pennsylvania. I mean, what's up? What's up? I'm like looking for my little mastermind. 100%. We can talk. Bro, you seen the video that got leaked about him talking about how to manipulate the market is? No, I have not. That's kind of wild. He said, I'm from Pennsylvania too. Where y'all at? I've never been to Pennsylvania. That's kind of wild. That's kind of wild. I've left the country, but I've never been to Pennsylvania. Oh, it's not even letting me reply to this one. Yeah, I was going to send a reply to it. All right, so hold on. Let's. All right, I'm liking what I'm seeing from NVIDIA though. Woods, is that an active entry? Oh, NVIDIA, yeah. I took an entry on NVIDIA. So I'm in I think it's a 146 call that expires this Friday. But as of right now, kind of looking at it, we're still, let's see if we can break this downtrend. But yeah, on the 5-minute, I can see there is a trend to the downside. So let's see if we can kind of break this. But as of right now, we're still in a downtrend. So we'll have to see. Okay, supporting BOBS. I've seen it. NVIDIA. Thanks, brother. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I mean, we're still pushing up though. Let's see if we can break this. If we break this, we'll probably come out, take out these highs. That'll be cool. Let's see how we're doing on it right now. I mean, it's up 20%. It's not bad. Check on that SoFi from earlier too. I'm down $1 on that SoFi. And then I'm down. Oh, I forgot I had Clean Spark from last week. I was like, why is my portfolio in the red? And my Clean Spark is down. I'm still hopeful for that, but I feel like I need to close that out. Cause let me look at Bitcoin. Let me see how fast it's moving. I'm gonna close out my Clean Spark. Wish I would have taken profits on it last week, but overall it ended up being down for. So yeah, I'm closing out of that Clean Spark call I grabbed last week. I lost $3 on it. So let's take this back. I want to come back to the Qs. All right. Hey, looking at the Qs on the week, almost looks like it. Oh, looks a little funny, but almost looks like it could be kind of like a double top kind of deal. So yeah, we might have to watch out for that. Let's drop back down to the 4. On the 4, kind of looking at it's almost like we rejected. On the 1, kind of like we rejected too. Then on the 30, all right. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Shirley just made my first $100 put on the Qs watching you. Hey, love to see it. Love to see it. All right, so we're finding support at this level for now. We got the volume kind of going up. What are we on the? Here, I'll go back to a 15. I'll watch the volume right here. Okay, hey, it looks like on the 15, it looks like we might be trying to cross and like break out, like do more. Yes, congrats, Shirley. Hey, Hakeem got that good energy. Love the energy, honestly. All right, so yeah, we'll see what happens right here. Hey, it looks like we're pushing, but let me see what this looks like on the lower time. Oh, hold on. See what this looks like on the lower time frames. On the 10, yeah, it looks like we might still be going up. I think I might move my kind of first, like watch for that next high, just in case we go for something like a double top or anything like that. I think I might be cooling with this over here. Kind of set an alert in there. It's like I would love to ride NVIDIA, but taking profits is also nice as well. Dream Cotton on Discord. Are you on the stream right now? Just out of curiosity. Just out of curiosity. Hey, one thing I want to call out, once again, that I'm eyeballing that I would love. Oh, maybe it's not a weekly chart. Let's go to the daily. So Meta has like this gap down to like 545. If it just wants to go crazy and like sell off coming into that or coming into its earnings, I think I'm really bullish on Meta overall. Like I really like what they're doing as a company. Oh, that's you? Okay. Cool. Cool. I don't know why I thought that. Oh, because, yeah, Hakeem Cotton. I was like, I don't know why I thought that might be you, but yeah, I didn't even realize. Yeah, the last name is Cotton. It makes sense. Makes sense. But yeah, I got you on there, family. All right, SPY looks like it could be going for that close. I'll say NVIDIA looks like it's kind of breaking that right there. Kind of just leave this one for now. But yeah, right now on Meta, I really love the idea of them. What they have their earnings. Oh, they have earnings next week. I think. Or, yeah, that's next week. Next Wednesday. Yeah, so if they want to just fall off a cliff, I won't be mad at them. But yeah, let's bring the cues back. Here, let's try to see where support would be. Let's see if we're just in a range right now, or because we got, dang, my stomach going. All right, so we have 1 touch, 2 touch. So yeah, if we drop below like 490 on the cues, hey, things could get nasty. Have you ever tried trading using ChatGPT? I haven't yet. So when you say trading using ChatGPT, do you mean like asking it for things, or you mean like kind of like coding some stuff in and doing that? Because if you mean by like a kind of, if you mean by, what is it? If you mean trading using ChatGPT by asking like, oh, what stock should I trade today or whatever, I personally don't like that just because of the way it works. ChatGPT is, the AI is designed to kind of, to an extent, tell you what you want to hear and make it sound as legitimate as possible. So there will be a lot of information that'll sound very factual that's not very factual. Like if you told it to, for instance, like if you were asking for help getting jobs or saying, hey, I need connections at this company, can you find contact information on these people? ChatGPT, like say I was looking for like people at IBM. I was like, can you find me the creative director for IBM? It could potentially look up people, make up a whole network of people whose names seem really legitimate, that don't exist at all. So it's like there are some things where, oh, it's like you just need to like really check and scrutinize that stuff. So it's like I personally do not do with that. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna move that up. I don't want to come down like that. Yeah, so we'll kind of see here. I'm not even sure. I just seen it come across my feed, so I was gonna look into it. Hey, if you see it in your feed, if you still see it in your feed right now, let me know how old the date for the video is, because it's like I saw videos like that maybe from like a year ago, but like once that kind of hype died down, it's like it didn't really seem to like work like that, so people kind of stopped. It's like a lot of people just make videos because they get clicks or because they think they're going to perform well. And at the time, ChatGPT or using the words AI, those were getting clicks and getting performance metrics and things such as that. So that's kind of what was going on. All right, so here, let's go up to the 4 hour. It says, 1 month ago. I mean, that's pretty recent, I would say. And I would imagine it has a good amount of views too. That's something I would probably like get in and like look at the comments on. Since they don't show the likes anymore. Or they don't show the dislikes anymore. But the creator can always see the dislikes. But it low-key kind of sucks that you don't see the dislikes as somebody who is actually watching the video. Oh yeah, that's a good one to look at. Let's see what's up with. Let's check in on that. I'm really interested to see. I mean, they appear to have a good amount of support at this kind of 26 to 2650 kind of area. So right now, it's probably not too much to say about them. Here, I want to do something. So yeah, we know NVIDIA is still over there, but let's, what is it? Let's give them a moment. Let's come in and look at, want to pull up Derive and kind of look at how it's seeing things today. See if it has any good calls or anything. AMD is currently trading at 154.66. Stock has been underperforming. Hakeem Hood is doing me dirty. Won't break 27. Okay, let's look at Hood on a higher time frame. Let's kind of ignore this. I want to look at it on a monthly starting out because dang, that's crazy. They touched 85 at one point. That's wild. Okay. So here, if we were to draw something on a monthly, I would say that would kind of be our monthly trend line. So here, I'm going to set an alert on this monthly. I'm going to drop down to the weekly. I'm going to get rid of these trend lines. Dang, I need to eat something soon. Yo, just a side comment. I really need daylight savings to happen because I don't use an alarm. I usually kind of like just wake up off of, I guess, like I just wake up when I wake up. But it's been kind of tough getting up with enough time before the stock market opens to like do the watch list and everything. It's like I usually like to have like a solid hour beforehand, but just been a little tough for me. I don't know. Like today I got up, I'm like, oh dang, gotta create the watch list right away. All right, Hakeem Hood is doing me dirty. Won't break 27. I mean, it's be cool to see some liquidity, or like, yeah, building up liquidity, kind of like it did over here. And it sold off at 26.51 down to, what is this, August? Dang, that was a good buy level. Everything looks good, hindsight. Oh, Nvidia's pushing back up. That's cool. Yeah, we might get a break on Nvidia. That's cool. I'm cool with that. Hood was good to me right before the Robinhood Summit. Oh, that's probably because like I was getting like so many emails from them talking about everything they had or had coming, and I was like, this probably isn't going to be anything, because last time they did it was like a credit card, and honestly the credit card is not bad. I might, maybe in the future I might get it because I have a lot of credit cards. I'm kind of into all that stuff, but right now it was not the move. I want to see like what kind of like maybe once I start looking to travel again, I'll start seeing what kind of benefits they have. Yeah, that's so Rick Hakeem, that's hey, that's the buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. Well, I mean, it doesn't look like the news has really been sold. Let's go. Oh, hold on. My Boeing call was looking good this morning. Mr. Self-Sufficient, you're sounding quite self-sufficient right now. Here, let's go up to the 4 hour. Oh yeah, that's a good little gap right there. Yeah, that's looking good. JR, you cover Palantir yet? Are you saying like go over the stock, or are you saying like did I like cover a trade? I don't think I recall being in a Palantir trade. I may have taken one last week, but I don't think I was in one. I think I like closed it if I was. But yeah, looking at Palantir, I think I did chart this on the watch. I'm not 100% sure I did. But looks like they have supported about 42.60, and they're kind of respecting this trend line to the downside, depending on the time frame, like on the 4 hour. Hey, love to hear that. America's Last Patriots, ALP. All right, so we got volume kind of tapering off a little bit. made a little money. That's what we like to hear. That's what we want to do. That's what we want. That's what we like to do around these parts. Make a little money. Government likes to take a little money, but yeah. I have made money every Palantir call I made. It sounds like Palantir calls may be the move. You can watch this in video on a lower time frame. To me, this looks like it's about to, like it's getting ready to reverse. Just because of these two lows right here. But I will want to see how this structure plays out. Like I would expect this to kind of be a higher low. But yeah, we'll kind of see. Or, yeah, higher low. We'll see. He says SPY keeps falling. Oh, yes, it does. Let's see. Yeah, close that gap I was looking at. See, on the 30-minute. Yeah, right now. Let's see how this candle closes. Keep that up for now. All right, let's see. All right, so hold on. I think let's see. Microsoft's kind of selling off today. That might have something to do with here, let's see. Intel. Oh, hold on. I want to, where'd it go? Yeah, I wanted to pull this up over here. It's AMD. Here, let me add Microsoft real quick. Slide that over here real quick. I want to pull the SPY back up. Yeah, so we'll kind of like watch, see how things go for the next 10 minutes or so. See where it takes us. See if we get like an increase in volume. See what happens, because we usually catch some volume, and I think that's kind of lined up with the European market close. So yeah, we'll see how the market kind of goes there. Move this to a 15. Let me try to. We've really been running up on the Dixie, so I would say we're actually kind of lined up, or like it's correlating better today with the way it's selling off. Still see we're 58% green on the vote for the day. He said SoFi pushing. Here, let's quick check in on SoFi. We'll see. All right, back to NVIDIA. It's like I grabbed a $10 short on NVIDIA or SoFi. Cause actually, yeah, let's go back to SoFi real quick. It may have been the 4 hour I was looking at. To me, it was looking kind of like potential double toppy. So, yeah, I was watching that on SoFi. And I think I was targeting like $9 or something on it. But yeah, let's bring it back to NVIDIA. Go back to a 15. I'm going to bring this back over. Let's see. Take a look at Tesla. All right, so there's potential significant price movement through the Q3 earnings report and Elon Musk's recent actions. Traders should consider strategies like straddles or strangles to capitalize on potential large price movements while carefully monitoring earnings announcements and news developments. Implied volatility is high at 54.27, which may present opportunities but also increases risk. Let's check out Netflix. Okay, so it's kind of like recommending calls on Netflix. It says it's bullish. Stock has recently reached a new all-time high after reporting impressive Q3 earnings and adding more subscribers than expected. The market is optimistic about Netflix's future, and there is a higher chance of significant price movements in the near term. Should consider a specific strategy called a bull call spread to take advantage of this positive trend while managing their risk exposure. And let's look at the SPY. Selling premium through cover calls or bull put spreads while closely monitoring market changes. All right. We got about 4.5 minutes left on this candle. Dang, SPY's selling off. We'll see how they hold up at 480. Looks like we might reach it. Philip, any play today? So grab like a call on NVIDIA, and then like grab a put on SoFi. Right now, NVIDIA is down $3 and SoFi is down $1. So yeah, I'm down $4 on the day between those two. But beyond that, nothing really. But yeah, I'm not really like looking at it for I wasn't looking at Nvidia for like today specifically. But honestly, looking at the SPY in hindsight, wish I would have played this break over here. That looks like it would have been the play. The Qs is approaching support, so that might be like 1 hour or 4 hour. But I would kind of watch the Qs right here. They could find some buying pressure and then rise back up. So yeah, I would say that's something to look out for. If you want to kind of try to go for something like this, like I think I drew this on the 4 hour. Yeah, this is a trend I drew on the 4 hour. Maybe move that up a little bit more like that. And I would say, like, if you're looking for a play, probably not gonna be on long enough to like fully watch, but if we break here, it could be big. The next level I would watch for would be kind of like this 487.56. It's also a demand zone. If we like get like a break with increased volume and everything, but if we end up bouncing here, I would look to maybe come back to this 493 kind of area. That would be my target if I were looking on the daily. All right, you said just bought a day 582 call for spot. Let's see. Let me go back to the spot. Let's see. I would have waited a little bit until you found support. So that means like, I guess more like kind of like sideways candles. Typically once you start seeing those sideways candles or see it like kind of consolidating, that's when you find the reversal. But we might get some volume in like a few seconds because we have the European market is about to close, and then also it's just 10:30. So we typically see a little bit of volume coming in here, so we'll see. You said sound movement. Let's see. Okay, let's go up to a 4 hour real quick, see how it's been moving. Yeah, I mean, this looks like a decent level. It looks like a good level to like pick it up if you're trying to like ride that trend. This is a level of support though, like this 520, so it may have been dropping big time, but this potential good level to pick it up. Like you see, it's this right here. This is kind of what you see before a reversal, like right here. It could continue the trend down, but this is like this sideways movement right here is something you would see for a reversal, or maybe this ends up being a double bottom and ends up coming back up. So just be on the lookout for that as well. All right, so I'm going to take this back to the SPY. Just want to watch how the SPY is doing. It looks like it's still trying to make a little progress to the bottom. It wouldn't surprise me if we came and like retest the 580 for a little bit. Kind of see how these first couple candles go. I mean, this right now it's looking like this buy may be finding support. This is a good start for the look of that. And then it looks like Nvidia has kind of crossed that trend line, so we'll kind of see how that goes real quick. Find a little bit of support. We're like 2 minutes in the European close. Go on, push on up. See how we're looking on that contract. Should be a little bit in the green, if not at least at break even. Up $5 on that contract. Oh, bless me. All right, so yeah, we're pushing back up. We're above the trend line. I'm gonna drop down, kind of see how the volume for the candles kind of compare. Let's see if we can get back to that high for the day. Appreciate you, Mahishu. Yeah, we'll have to see what happens here. It's like, what's your goals when taking profit? For it to, no, it's not a certain percentage. It kind of depends on what's going on. Sometimes it'll be like a continuation of a trend. Sometimes usually it'll be like, at the least, it'll be the next key level. So if I say I got in like right here, the next key level would be right here at this 140.85. It really just depends on where I think it's going. So it's not like a set one thing every time. It's like we see so many different situations that you want to learn to identify certain things so you can figure out what you think it is. But like right now, I am looking for us to come back and test this high. This is what I would ideally do. It's like I would like to continue to ride this throughout the day. But also if we come back up here and it doesn't look like, if I don't see that we have volume and it doesn't look like the trend's going to continue, I'm just going to take profit. So right now, up like $10 on that call, up 13%. Dang, I forgot I gotta go to the post office after this. Responsibilities, man. Responsibilities. All right, pushing on up. This is what we've been waiting for. See if we can. Oh, we're looking solid on the 1 hour. Let's go back to the 4. I might want to see where this candle closes off. I think I'm probably getting off in like 10 minutes, but I might want to see where this candle closes because depending on the strength on this 4 hour, let's see what about the 1 hour. Depending on the strength of this candle right here, if it looks like a strong candle, I might try to just like hold it for the day or swing it into tomorrow, but right now it's looking kind of good because right now it's looking like we broke out, we came down, retested, held this trend line. And so that's looking good to me. And we got till Friday on this contract. And Nvidia has kind of, here, let's back out to like the weekly chart. Nvidia is, or I guess is knocking for the second, actually one knock. You can kind of call that a knock, and it's the third time knocking. We'll see. Nvidia is kind of on a run right now. I'll clear that one out. Let's go back to a 4. Leave that one. Back to a 1. Yeah, so really want to just see kind of what happens here. How are we looking on the SPY? So the SPY is still kind of chilling here. So my thoughts on the SPY right here, it is kind of forming some support for now. We'll see. But yeah, my thoughts on the SPY is it looks like a reversal is forming. You know, first place might be kind of this 171, or it might just go on and like, here, let's see where VWAP is. Yeah, VWAP on the SPY is like 583, so it would not surprise me for it to, you know, it may come down as it starts moving, but Philip, yeah, hopefully they just, if you bought it for today, just make sure to sell it on a run. Like whenever it stops moving towards that, make sure, like whenever it loses momentum, or when, try to sell it into momentum, because that's going to be everything with the 0 DTEs, because those things lose value so fast. And it's like, honestly, it's the momentum that gives those value most of the time. I mean, if you can ride it in the money, that'll do some things too. But yeah, you definitely want momentum on that. That'll give you your best profit on that. All right, so it looks like we're starting to get a little bit of a reversal. Hey, nah, Skittles, thank you, appreciate you. Once again, today will forever be ingrained in my mind as the first day. Kind of got some on oh, Skittles, thank you, have a good day, good night. Hey, good night. Oh, what's going on here? All right, so yeah, it looks like we're getting that volume on the SPY. It's looking good. This is a good candle. Oh yeah, that's a. Yeah, let's see if there's a level, something is tapping into over here. This might be a. I mean, that's the 4 hour. Let's check the 1. I mean, I saw something on the 4 hour. It was kind of a huge zone though. So yeah, let's go. See if we can take out this high right here at 581. Oh, Nvidia's going too. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Still got like 19 minutes on this candle. All right, so we're up 17 on this contract, 23%. Yeah, so that's 74 to 91. Keep pushing Nvidia. SPY doing this. SPY is trying to do his thing. We'll take it. Let me watch Nvidia on a 5 too. Oh yeah, that's a little change of trend. We'll stop that for now, or get rid of that trend line. Maybe slide my stop up. Get rid of that. Yeah, but just for the sake of like, oh, this possibly still being a double top, still would look to take profits up here. All right, let's keep moving. Oh no, did not mean to do that. Okay, I put it back. Oh, they're trying to pull up. Okay, so right now we still need a higher. This was a high. We still need to put in a higher high, and we need a higher low. Haven't confirmed the change in trend yet. I mean, still looking all right though. We got pushing up a little bit on the volume. How are we looking on NVIDIA? This is one thing that annoys me a little bit. Are these little icons that kind of block the volume sometimes? Yeah, I have to like zoom in to see what I'm trying to see. I mean, we're pushing up. Come on, let's go, NVIDIA. You can do this. You can do it too, Spy. Okay, looking good on the Spy. Hey, let's give Philip a win. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, let's say the momentum's looking good. Looks like we're about to lock in a higher high. Hey, we're getting more volume on NVIDIA as well. Hey, we're looking good. Looking good. Hey, hopefully it runs up to VWAP for Philip. Hey, let's go. Okay, so yeah, we got a new candle. It's still pushing up. It's pushing up. We're looking good. Looking good. Oh yeah. He said VWAP. I'm definitely selling. The only thing I would say is I hope it doesn't like take its time getting there. But this movement is good. You're getting a line of blue candles or green candles, depending on what your charts look like. But yeah, we're stringing them in. We're stringing them in. Looking good. Love to see it. Love to see it. Yes, get it, Philip. Get it, Philip. All right, let's go. Keep pushing. Slowing video down to like a 10. I might slide this down to this part right here. There we go. we still got 13 minutes left on this candle. Yo, I think, yeah, I might stay on till the end of this candle. A little bit longer than I normally stay on, but I think I'm gonna have to ride it out, see what comes of it. Because depending on how this candle closes, here, I'm gonna leave this one on the 4 hour. Depending on how it closes, I'm gonna just, I might stay in. Oh, SoFi is pushing up too. Okay, SoFi put, I grab this. Probably not doing the best, but I'm still, hey, I'm gonna leave that be for now. All right, so over here on the SPY, wait, how many? We got 2 minutes left on this candle. The volume looks like it's a little bit lower on this candle. Just want to point that out. All right, so yeah, we're just sitting here waiting for this candle to close. See how much strength we roll or close out with. Okay, hey, SPY pushing some more. Let's go. Hey, let's go for this. Let's go for this up here. Let's go for 582.60. Let's go for it. Let's get it. And we got. Oh yeah, push. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, you got it, SPY. Hey, it's all you. It's all you. Oh yeah. Hey, almost. Hey, exclamation. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Hey, we're heading in the money. Let's go. Come on. You know what to do, SPY. You've been waiting all day for this. All day. Hey, you know what? We won't even be mad if you decide to go up there and touch the high. Okay, so, hey, I saw it in the money for a second. I saw it in the money. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, hold up. Nvidia's kind of moving up a little bit too. Oh, yeah. Hey, we're in the money now. Out of the money? What's that? Never heard of you. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, we are in this thing. I should have grabbed it too, like on the watch list, just to. I probably could have bought that contract myself. I'm not sure, but I should have at least put it on the watch list so I knew how much it was at. I can watch the value on it though. Let's see. SPY 582. Oh yeah, let's go. I'm gonna put it on my watch list so I can see the. Oh yeah, we moving. We are moving. Let's go run up the VWAP. Where's my watch list? I don't think I added it to my watch list. Well, let's try this again. And let's keep pushing, SPY. Okay. Yeah, so this contract bottomed out around like 47. Hey, Hey, we're making moves. We're making moves. Let's go. You know what to do, SPY. Yeah, NVIDIA, you know what to do too. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, moving on up. Moving on up. All right, let's SPY. It's at 86. Hey, I'm up on my watch list. Trade too. No, you said the volume. So the volume right now, it's trickling in. It's not increasing, but it's good right now. Good thing is the volume is not going down, so that's fine. Like I think the volume on this candle is going to exceed the last one, but probably not the one that was before that one. But yeah, we're still pushing up, looking good, looking good. Okay, hey, yeah, this is a nice candle. Okay, so we surpassed the last one. I'm up 10% on the watch list. That's up at the contract is at 92. Oh, this is the only thing. This is why you want to sell into momentum because it went down like a couple cents and it's down like now I'm up like 2. I was up like 10 a second ago. Nvidia's just sitting there though. Once again, let me check it out on the 5. It's still sitting there, but let's go to a 10. Yeah, we still got 5 minutes on this candle. Here, let's see. What's this spot called? Okay, I'm down on my watch list. Come on, Spy. You know what to do. You know what to do. It's not hard. Just keep going up. You got one job. One job. Just go up. All right, so this candle looks like it's about to close red. Okay. But now, okay, so push. Let's go push. All right, let's get a new high. Come on, let's test 582.65. That's what I want to see. Okay, candle's looking a little better. Looking better. See if we can get see if they want to put some more buying pressure in. Like just start jumping up on the price. Won't be mad at that. Oh yeah, that's what we want to see. Oh yeah, now what's going on with SoFi? Okay, so I'm probably about to end up closing out of the SoFi then. Let me swap that over here. Let me go to a 4-hour. Maybe not yet. We'll see. We'll still see. I'm probably still going to swing it because it's not like that double top would still be intact. It's going to depend on how the next candle after that closes. So I'm probably going to still swing it in tomorrow. But where was it? Oh, back to NVIDIA and back to the SPY. Go back to. All right, so we got the SPY pushing. The volume is dropping on the SPY, but it's still push. Okay, so that SPY is at 106. Okay, so me, if I were in this trade, I would be happy here and I would cut out. Even when I got in, I am up 22% since I added it to the watch list, and it's just at $21 profit since I added it. So if I were in the buy trade, I would get out here. Also, partially because I'm about to get off the stream, so that's why. And because it's into momentum. But the SPY could still, like, it has a little bit more to go to VWAP. But yeah, hey, that's money right there, Philip. Good stuff. Good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna close that out. That was a good little play. Shout out to Philip. Hey, everybody, post a W for Philip. W Philip, let's go. All right, yeah, you sold. Yeah, let's go. All right, I'm probably about to sell this NVIDIA too, just so I don't have to worry about it. Something tells me I'm probably gonna wish I held on to it, but I'm probably about to cut out of that too. And that way we can live to trade another day tomorrow as well. But I still want to see how this candle closes. No, I'm gonna just cut out. So that's gonna be about 22% profit and 22% profit, about $18 profit. I'm gonna cut out for right now. All right, so yeah, I got filled at 91. And yeah, all good on the day. All right, yeah, picked up a fat $50 real quick. Love to see it. Yeah, that's what's up. Hey, good day. Hey, good stuff, family. All right, so ended up taking this trade, more something like that. Honestly, it's probably gonna be like, I still want to see how this candle closes on the 4 hour. Let's see. Drinks on Philip. Let's go. Philip, you getting the waters? Yeah. Yo, good day. Oh yeah, how did it end up? Oh yeah. I mean, it could end up going higher, but yeah, selling into momentum with the 0 data expiration. Yeah, it looks like it. All right, so we got that candle close. So, hey. Oh yeah. Hey, Philip said free water. He said just go into your local restaurant and tell them Philip said, yo, the water's free today. So he said free water cup. So yeah, free waters, everyone on Philip. Go to your local restaurant, ask for a water cup, tell them Philip sent you, and Philip has covered the payment for that. All right, so yeah, that's going to do it for the day, family. Been a historic day for the channel. Yeah, been a fun day. Good Monday. Set the tone for the week. Yeah, that's going to do it for the day. Matthew Manuel signing off. Have a blessed day. I want to change your life. Yo, we getting out of here.